All right, this is to help with 9.5 day 1, question number 10. And it says write an explicit formula for the sequence. This is kind of a review one. There'd be two explicit formulas. So there's an equals a sub 1 plus the common difference times n minus 1. And then there's another explicit formula that says take a sub 1 times r n minus 1 time. And the difference is the first one is for an arithmetic sequence, and the second one is for a geometric. So the first thing I would think about here is the fact that this one's asking arithmetic. I believe it's going down by 2.5 each time, subtracting 2.5. So that's going to be arithmetic, and d is going to be negative 2.5. So the little formula would be a sub n equals the first term, which is 4, and then plus, or I guess you could do negative 2.5, however you want to do that, minus 2.5 or plus negative 2.5 times n minus 1. So that's our common difference. And then it doesn't match any of these because we got to clean it up. So if you distribute this, we would have 4 plus negative 2.5 n plus 2.5. Negative times negative becomes a plus. So then we would have 6.5 minus 2.5 n, or plus negative 2.5 n, again, however you want to write it. And I think that one would match then letter A, at least letter A for me. All right, hope that helps.